cars. This Ford Bronco, apparently a few people are into it. I don't know. You're into it.
Oh, yeah. I think it's great.
There's a couple people didn't like it, which I saw in the comments, which that's always going to be the case. But then there's a few people that are into it and happy to see it back. So we didn't cover this when we first talked about it because I didn't know about it. They put out a limited edition model, which was specially equipped. It was spec'd out. What do you think about the look of that one?
That's very cool.
Yeah, they got the cool spec'd out version. It was a little more expensive, 60 grand for that one. And they had a limited run of 3,500. They were called First Edition. And those sold out in like 5 seconds.
Wow.
I don't know if it was 5 seconds, but they sold out quickly. And Ford, I don't know if they planned it. You know how this goes when you do the drops and all that? But they said, okay, fine, we'll put out another run. Well, we'll make a few more available because you guys loved it so much. Yeah. But maybe they planned to do that from the beginning. I don't really know. But after the second run, they said, no, that's really it. First edition model is done. If you missed it, you missed it. You're going to have to pick it up on the Auto Trader with the increased cost. With the secondary market. You know how that is.
Yeah.
Some of those guys are going to throw it right onto Auto Trader and make a few extra bucks. But either way, yeah, it appears some people got really amped about this new one. Ford has confirmed that the second batch of reservations is also sold out. Just between these first edition pre-orders, it represents $212 million in revenue.
Wow.
There's a few bucks there. Production doesn't begin until next year. And it's $100 deposit to purchase. So this is a Tesla effect going on here where you get to put your name down for a really limited amount of money on a commitment to spend a lot of money. It was an interesting tactic, but it really makes buying a car seem super easy.
Yeah.
When they're just like, give us $100. You got one.
Tell everyone about it.
Yeah, you might have bought that.
Oh, yeah.
That's a...
Where do I sign up?
That's like if you're just that's like if you're having a big party and you need to order a bunch of pizzas. That's $100. Or you can have your own personal party and just make a deposit on the new Bronco. It's up to you.